Mango leaf tea, benefits, uses, and how to make it. Mango leaf tea, made from the leaves of the mango tree, is a natural herbal remedy packed with powerful antioxidants and nutrients. Long used in traditional medicine, this tea is gaining popularity for its wide range of potential health benefits, from supporting blood sugar levels to promoting heart, skin, and liver health. Top health benefits of mango leaf tea. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Mango leaves contain compounds like tannins, which may help manage blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 2. Improved digestion. Drinking mango leaf tea may ease digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion, helping your digestive system function more smoothly. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. The anti-inflammatory properties of mango leaves can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially supporting joint and immune health. 4. Antioxidant protection. Rich in antioxidants, mango leaf tea can fight off free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which may lower the risk of chronic conditions like cancer, heart disease, and premature aging. 5. Heart health support. The tea may help lower blood sugar and improve blood vessel strength, contributing to better cardiovascular health. 6. Glowing skin. Thanks to their antioxidant content, mango leaf tea may improve skin tone, fight acne, and give your skin a healthy, youthful glow. 7. Respiratory relief. Mango leaves have been traditionally used to soothe respiratory conditions like bronchitis and asthma due to their potential anti-inflammatory effects. 8. Weight management. Some studies suggest that mango leaf tea may help reduce fat accumulation and support metabolism, making it a helpful addition to weight management efforts. 9. Stress and anxiety reduction. Mango leaf tea may offer calming effects that may help reduce stress and promote a sense of relaxation. 10. Oral health. With its antimicrobial properties, mango leaf tea may help prevent mouth ulcers, freshen breath, and improve overall oral hygiene. 11. Potential anti-cancer properties. Preliminary research suggests that mango leaves may contain compounds with cancer-fighting potential, though more studies are needed. 12. Liver protection. Animal studies have shown that mango leaf extract may help protect the liver and reduce fat buildup in liver tissues. How to prepare mango leaf tea. Ingredients. You need fresh or dried mango leaves and 2 or 3 cups of water. Instructions. 1. Bring water to a boil in a pot. 2. Add a handful of washed mango leaves, fresh or dried. 3. Let the tea simmer on medium heat for about 10 minutes. 4. Strain, serve, and enjoy warm or cold. You can sweeten it with honey, agave, or drink it plain. Please note, mango leaf tea is generally safe, but always consult your healthcare provider before adding it to your daily routine, especially if you're on medication or have a health condition. 2. Start with small amounts to monitor your body's response. And finally, avoid excessive consumption as it may cause digestive discomfort in some individuals. Mango leaf tea is a gentle, natural way to support your health, one soothing sip at a time. Why not give it a try and experience its benefits for yourself? That's all, my lovelies. We've come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till I come your way next time, it's goodbye from Naija Foods. See you soon.